Good morning, everybody, and it's Stephen here for Bland Designs and the Idiot Quilter. And just a reminder that Stephen and Walter Live will be live today, Sunday, October the 24th, 2021, at 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And I hope you can join us. So, we're going to bring you up to date on my mother. Spoiler alert, she's better, which is great. What's Walter been working on? What's he got coming up? What have I been working on? And our day at Whirls and Swirls to learn more about Lucy. And yeah, there's been a lot of things happening this past week. Some little complaints with Shoppers Drug Mart and their flu shot business, and what's coming up. So, and Halloween, yes or no this year? Not sure. Anyways, whole lot of stuff here. Whole lot of random stuff. So if you want to get in on the conversation, I hope you'll join us today, October the 24th, 2021 at 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Hope to see you then. Bye-bye.